Hi guys and welcome back to the channel. And for today's video, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano nyo itatrack ang inyong Schengen visa application through VFS Global. So sa pagtatrack niyan, dalawa ang kailangan yung information, which is your surname and your reference number. So saan po bang makikita yung reference number? May I remind you, ang reference number is hindi po yan pareho dun sa reference number nyo sa inyong appointment or application. Ang reference number is makikita nyo po dito sa inyong resibo na makukuha nyo sa VFS after your application. Nandito po yan sa likod. So, ayan ang inyong reference number. So, kung paano nyo po siya nakita dyan, ganoon nyo siya susulat kung meron mang slash or anything. So, paano yan? Pupunta tayo sa inyong Google and then type nyo lang ang VFS. Ayan. And then, just click this first one. Yung may nakalagay na for individuals. And then, ilalagay nyo dito yung country na in-applyan nyo. So, first of all, from the Philippines. And then, nag-apply po tayo for the Netherlands. Ayan. So, take me to the website. And then, after nyan, kapag napunta ka na sa next website, pipindutin nyo lang yung track your application dito. Ayan. So, ayan na siya guys. Nakikita nyo reference number and your last name. So, ilalagay ko ang aking reference number. And then, ang aking last name. And then, of course, I am not a robot. Ayan. Verify. And then, submit. Ayan. So, nakita nyo guys, andyan na yung status, which is, yung application ko has been received in the Netherlands Embassy in Manila on April 29, 2024. So, actually, inaantay ko pa yung aking visa kung ma-approve man o hindi. Siyempre, kinakabahan, pero tingnan natin kung ma-approve tayo. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you!